You ever wonder about those DOTBP rules? You're in the right place to get the lowdown. Today, we're breaking it down in plain English. No jargon, just the stuff you need to know. First off, what are these DOTBP rules all about? Well, it's all about keeping our roads safe and making sure everyone's playing by the rules. The Department of Transportation, or DOT, has set these guidelines to keep trucks in check. Think of them as the playbook for keeping things smooth and safe out there on the highway. Let's start with the hours of service. Ever feel like the rules about how long you can drive are a bit of a head scratcher? You're not alone. The basic idea is to limit the hours you're behind the wheel, so you're sharp and safe. You're typically looking at an 11-hour driving limit after 10 hours off duty. But of course, there are little details tucked into these rules that can get tricky. It's like having a bedtime but for trucking. Another rule that's often overlooked is the vehicle maintenance requirement. Trucking companies and owner-operators must keep detailed records of all inspections, repairs, and maintenance. These logs aren't just paperwork, they're proof that your truck is roadworthy. Neglecting maintenance can lead to violations, or worse, accidents. Keeping your maintenance files organized can save you a lot of trouble during DOT audits or roadside inspections. And then there's the electronic logging device, or ELD rule, are the days of scribbling down your hours on paper. This is where tech steps in. These devices track your hours automatically, making sure everyone's on the same page. It's like having a digital buddy to keep you in line. Weight limits are another biggie. Your rig can't be too heavy. Gotta think about those roads and bridges. There are clear limits on how much weight each axle can bear. Overloading isn't just a ticket risk, it's a danger on the road. Worried about inspections? You should be. Regular checks ensure your truck is up to snuff from brakes to lights and everything in between. It's like a health checkup for your truck to keep it running smoothly. Feeling a bit overwhelmed by the paperwork and rules? That's where Moving Authority comes in. We're here to help you handle the nitty-gritty so you can focus on what you do best, driving. Our team has got your back with the know-how to keep you compliant and on the road. Visit us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. In the end, keeping up with these DOT-BP rules is about safety and a smoother ride for everyone. It might seem like a lot, but think of it as part of the job, just like fueling up or finding a good rest stop. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Have a question or a story to share? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you, and we're here to help. Stay safe and keep trucking.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.